Alright, so for materials, the inner shirt can just be a simple light blue color. Like this. And the outer sweatshirt, I'm going to use simply material to create a simple sweatshirt kind of material. Like this, and I think that's fine. And we can use DivinePrint to stamp an image onto it. So I'm going to press Shift A, image, mesh plane. And let's see. I have a few PNGs here from Creative Market. We can just select a random one, like this or this. Scale it up against the cloth. And under DivinePrint, you can just click on spray, and that will spray the image onto the sweatshirt. Alright, so you can see over here, the image is kind of sprayed and mirrored. So what I'm going to do is undo. You see undo history. Undo that and click on the cloth. And for clothes that have, or objects that have mirror modifier, you can see there's an option here called fix mirror. So just click on that and it will fix the mirroring of the cloth. You hear the sound to confirm that it's done. Click on the image and you can now click on spray and it will spray the image onto the cloth. You can now delete this and that's fine. Jump to the last frame and we have a nice looking texture like that. Alright, so we can add a button to this. Just open your asset browser over here and you can see Divine Assets, buttons. Pull it onto the shirt. Set the shirt as the cloth object here, corporate shirt. Scale the button and you can click on Divine Accessory. Position it onto the shirt like this and click on bind, and that will bind it to the shirt. We can also add earrings to this character. Go over to the earring pack, volume 1 or 2, and you can see deforming earrings. You can pull on any one that you want. Place it onto the ear and rotate it nicely like that. When you're done, click on Divine Accessory and click on bind. You can now click on this, which carries the cache, and click on bake if you want, or you can just press play and see how it behaves and cache it when you want. Alright, so now that it's done baking, you can go to the design section and click on cache cloth, and that's fine. You can also add glosses if you have the glosses pack. Anyone from here, like these, you can place them over here. Set the origin point here, reset the rotation, and then scale along the y-axis, or rather scale generally first to make sure the other side of the ear fits, and then scale along the y-axis like this. Once you're satisfied, click on bind, and that will parent it to the head bone automatically. When you jump to the last frame, you can see it's fine. Now let's just check the materials of all these things and see what looks nice. I think we can change this green material here to perhaps something gold. I'll just remove this, change this to a principled shader, metallic, gold. I think that's nice. Enable the lighting and all. And yeah, that's basically it. We have a nice looking outfit over here. Hope you had fun, and I'll catch you in the next one.